HumanWare has just updated the Victoreader Stream 3 digital talking book player to software version 1.4.0. I'm actually not sure when this update got released. I just know it's the latest version, and mine needed the update. So I figure I'm going to go through the release notes and just mention this. Firstly, they say they've upgraded the version of acapella text-to-speech from version 12.0 to 12.1 with a new voice, Melanie, in English and French. It's under Canada. Excuse me. The new version apparently also fixes some stuttering issues. Bluetooth profile support has been extended to support a broader range of devices. It tells you this does include some hearing aids, and if you have a Bluetooth device that hasn't worked before, try it again. One feature that I'm really excited for is notes categories. So you can actually organize your voice notes now, which is nice. We'll be going into that in a second. Notes can now be created in the internal memory of the stream. Why wasn't this a feature from day one on this and the stream 2? The Where Am I Key 5 feature of the Internet Radio Bookshelf has been re-implemented to be more akin to the Stream 2, i.e. better. Installing a new voice will now give a percentage for progression, which I did test yesterday because it reset my default voice for menus to Sharona. I do not like that voice, so I switched back to Karen. Size of books in Bookshare and XML/HTML content has been slightly increased. I didn't know there was a size limitation issue. Apparently, version 1.5 will fix this completely. TuneIn will now properly remember your place in podcasts if you are logged in. This does not work with an anonymous account, but this does work with the free and paid accounts you have to connect. Added an option for key beeps. You can have all beeps off, play beep only, or all beeps on. I think I'm using play beep only. No, I don't have the play beep on. Let me fix that real quick.
Menu, no local settings. Navigation and wireless. Time jump. End of book, beep. Music, random, on. Loop, on. Audio adjustment mode. Save last use. Time jump. End of book, beep.
It was always there
Navigation
in the
and
older
playback.
versions.
General settings. Language. Power off option. System. Language. System.
Center system?
Keyboard. Date and time. Keyboard. Key beeps. Off. Off. On. Play only. Key beeps. Keyboard. System. General settings. Leaving menu.
There we go. Added back the functionality to skip back and forward 10 items while holding keys 4 or 6.
File. 29. Oliver. Jean. File. 70. The Monkeys.
I'm in random, so
Loop.
let me
Folder.
disable random.
File. 80. The Who. Marianne with a shaky hand. Mono. MP3. File. 3. Buddy Holly. True Love Ways.mp3. File. 13. Frank Sinatra. Nancy.mp3. Loop.
So that works.
Random. On.
You can now enter a custom value for sleep timers. Again, this was on the stream too. Why wasn't this here since day one? But
Sleep. 15. Sleep. 30. Sleep. 4. Sleep. 60 minutes. Sleep. Custom. 7. Sleep. 77 minutes.
it goes from 0 to 99 minutes. But I'll...
Sleep. Custom. Sleep. Off.
There we go. Turn that off. Going into suspend mode, we'll disable any active sleep timers, which, honestly, set your power option to suspend mode. Otherwise, it's a horribly long boot up time. And there's also a bunch of bug fixes. Improved handling of new podcast episodes. Loop works once again in all bookshelves. Where Am I and Go to Time in NLS books has been fixed. Volume for the power on beep has been lowered. Info key on custom playlists now works properly. Let me try that.
Info. Oldies.m3u. 87. Files. 1. Folder. 0. Bookmarks in book. Internal space available. 2.70 gigabytes.
The beeps on shutdown should now more consistently play. Internet radio playlist selection will now use the package's locale instead of defaulting to international. So for me, it would show the English, US, or whatever. Fast forward and rewind will now work in TuneIn podcast. Fast forward is 30 seconds, rewind is 10 seconds. Navigation from end of book in a Daisy book now fixed. Podcast feeds that were encoded in ASCII would crash the application, now fixed. Fixed an issue where you couldn't recreate a highlight bookmark after deleting it. English North America is being renamed to English US in the list due to text-to-speech changes. Improved Where Am I in other books. Fixed the go to time not behaving right in the podcast, other books, and Audible bookshelves. Fixed podcast crash after importing. Fixed podcast crash when time jumping 30 seconds. Fixed an issue where a large number of music files could cause the all music playlist to disappear. I've not had that, and I've got like 2,000 music files. Fixed an issue where audio would stop playing when pausing recording of internet radio. Fixed a bug in internet radio, both OO-Tunes and TuneIn, where the speed would go faster when you lock the keypad. Something in France only. So, it's good that we've got these bug fixes. So let's try out the notes categories. So,
Music, 40, books, 20, save podcasts, text files, 1, file, 1, Victor_reader, notes SD card, create category.
I've already created some categories here. So if I arrow left and right,
generic, 2, notes,
any existing notes will be categorized under generic.
M air checks, 0, notes,
Got AM air checks,
FM air checks,
FM air
0,
checks,
notes, ham radio, 0,
ham radio,
notes, NWR air checks,
NWR
0,
air checks.
create category.
That's it. So if you want to create a category, you either click here on create category, or
Go to, note, create
you
category.
can get to from the go to.
Go to, note, cancelled,
But,
NW, create
so to
category,
create a category.
enter category name.
You enter your category name, so I'll just call this one test category.
Confirmed. Completed. Create category. Test category. 0, notes,
So I can record.
preferred recording source and available, using, internal microphone. Start recording.
This is a note recording test. Hopefully this should go into the test category. If not, I will move it there.
Stop recording. Note, 3, created. 3, 3, 3, 3. Test category. 1, note,
Okay, and it did record it there. And if you hit confirm on the
test category. 1, note, 3.
This is a note recording test. Hopefully this should go into the test category. And you should also be able to move it, so.
Delete note. Move note.
So if you hit 3 2 times, it'll get moved.
Select category. Generic. MRX.
Move this to
Generic.
generic.
Completed. Notes SD card. Test category. 1, note. Create category. Test category. 0, notes. NW. Ham radio. FM. American. Generic. 3. Generic. 3, notes. 3, 2,
This is a test of the microphone on the.
3.
This is a note recording test. Hopefully this should go into the test category. If not, I will move it there. And I will now delete the note.
Delete note. Confirm delete.
And that literally sounds like a sound effect
Press
from
pound
Windows
key to
CE.
Deleted. Generic. 2, notes. 1.
But so that's nice. So I'll demo the internet radio thing.
Online bookshelf. Tune in radio. References. NLS Bard. Podcast. 1. NFB Newsline. Bookshare. 0. Books. Internet radio.
You gonna work? You're gonna.
Internet radio recordings.
Okay, took a second
4.
to load.
Internet radio recordings. 3. GWES Earn Stations.
So I'll go here into GWES Earn
7.
Stations.
Earn/NA, West Virginia.
My station Earn KNA does not have metadata working, so I'll pull
6. Earn/KLT, Florida.
That's
5.
all I'll do.
Earn/John, Virginia.
Earn JON. Hit play.
Song title, Crosby, Stills and Nash, Southern Cross, 2005 Remaster. Station, GWES Earn, John. Station, info, genre, classic hits, URL, http://radio.jonip.org/jonip, bitrate 192.
So that works.
4. Earn/GRX, Missouri. 3. Earn/FQT, West. 2. Earn/Dawn, Michigan. 1. Earn/CRTV, Montana.
Let's try CRTV.
Song title, Bellamy -2053. Station, GWES Earn, CRTV. Station, info, Station info, genre, various, URL, https://urncrtv.com, bitrate 320. 2.
And here's how it'll act on
5.
a station that does not
Earn/John,
have
Virginia.
the metadata.
7. Earn/Net.
Pull up KNA.
Station, GWES Earn, NA.
It just does that.
Station, info, URL, http://icecast.gws-eas.network/urn-kna, bitrate 96.
So that works great. As it should have from day one. But so yeah, I think that's pretty much all that I wanted to cover.
Offline bookshelf. Notes SD card. Talking books. 42.
And
books.
I think the way you change
Menu.
where your
No
notes
local
are
settings.
saved is...
General settings. Shut down now. Online settings. Recording. Recording volume adjustments. Preferred recording source. Recording and audio bookmarks default save location. SD card.
So this is where you can go to.
SD card. Internal memory. SD card.
But I'll
Recording
keep
and
it
audio bookmarks
saved
default save location. Recording.
to the SD card.
Music.
Even
40.
though I need to get a
Books.
bigger card because I'm about out of storage. I've only got like 25 megabytes free.
Music. 20. 30. Other.m3u. SD card. 31. Pop.m3u. SD card. 32. Post-classic rock.m3u. S. 24.
Actually, no, I want my soft rock.
32. 35. Reggae.m3u. 36. Rock and apostrophe. 37. Smooth jazz.m3u. 38. Soft rock.m3u.
And this is literally just the
SD
station
card.
playlist, but I've separated everything by genre. There we go.
Suspending.
So anyway, so that's all for this different video. If you want me to keep covering the changes made in different firmware updates, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that. Anyways, thanks for watching.